Usually when there's a disaster somewhere, we get the call and tell us where it's at. And we have 4 hours to get our team together and on the road to head towards a disaster. When you go down to them places like that, it's like a war zone. You never imagine what you see when you go down there. Water everywhere. It's just, when you go down there, you're down there when it's worst of the worst. And it's just total destruction. You know, houses blown down, roofs blown off houses. Of course, everything's closed. You know, there's no electricity. When we was in Florence, I don't think they had electricity for like a week. And that's kind of wild, going through some of these towns or driving around trees, because you're not gonna just drive straight through. You're always driving around debris to get places. The water's moving so fast in some of them places that you have to watch where you're walking, you know, and standing, because it'll just flip you right off your feet. When we got down there, it was just barely on your shoes. And I'd say within an hour and a half, 2 hours later, water was already up to our knees. That's how hard it was raining and the water was moving. We'd usually start 6 o'clock in the morning. We'd go till 7, 8 o'clock at night. Maybe 4.5 hours sleep a night, because you're constantly go, go, go. I love doing it. You know, I have to take vacation here from the MoDOT to do it, but a lot of people ask me the same question: why do you spend your vacation doing that? It's kind of what I believe in. It's just like helping people, you know, and they appreciate it. You go some places and they just thank God. You know, every time somebody's saying, thank God you're here. This is one of the things I believe in. Like I said, I've been doing it since '04, and I just, you know, I love doing it.